Hey everyone, Mikey here from MTV, and today we're diving into the newly launched Motorola RAZR 50, a sleek and compact vertical folding phone that's packed with some seriously impressive features. If you love tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Let's start with the design. The Motorola RAZR 50 is super portable and stylish, with a large external screen that lets you handle most tasks without even unfolding the phone. It features a 3.62-inch AMOLED display with a 90 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1700 nits. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, so it's as durable as it is good-looking. The phone is available in elephant gray, with additional color options in orange and black. The gray version, in particular, has a luxurious feel thanks to its plain leather material, making it both classy and comfortable to hold. The RAZR 50 boasts the largest outer screen in its class, comparable to the main screen with specs like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, HDR10+ support, and a pixel density of 413 ppi. The external screen offers 21 different themes and lock screen animations, making it customizable to fit your style. The power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, and the external screen functions just like the main screen. You can read news, reply to messages, and access your favorite social media apps without even opening the phone. It even rotates, making it super versatile. One of the coolest features? You can use the high-quality external screen as a mirror with a zoom feature, perfect for those quick touch-ups on the go. Plus, taking selfies has never been easier. Just shake the phone to open the camera app, or fold the phone to 90 degrees and use it like a camcorder. The Motorola RAZR 50 comes equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera with AI features, allowing you to scan images, search for information, and even chat with an AI chatbot. For those who love to travel, there's an AI travel feature as well. For performance, the RAZR 50 is powered by the recently launched MediaTek Dimensity 7300X processor, built on a 4nm platform, and comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. The battery is a 4200 mAh capacity, which is a bit on the lower side, but it supports 30-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging to keep you powered up throughout the day. As for pricing, the base variant with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage starts at 3,699 Chinese yuan, which is roughly £410 in the UK or $590 in the USA. So, what do you think of the Motorola RAZR 50?
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your
screen and overall design. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to MTV for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day and keep smiling. I'll catch you in the next one.